with that, our workshop comes to the end. So let me just say a couple of concluding words. First of all, I would like to thank all the speakers and all the participants in general for joining us, for giving inspiring talks and for interesting discussions, for sharing your results with us. And we are very glad that you could make it. Then I would like to thank the organizers. Let me just flash their names. This is Dmitry Levkov, the boss, so to say, scientific secretaries, Bulat Farkdinov, Alexander Korochkin, and Igor Krasnov, and Maxim Fitkevich, who provided the technical support. So thank you, guys. These are all young scientists and not so young scientists from INR. How do I stop sharing? Okay. And then finally, let me remind you that there will be an actual Quarks seminar in a year from now. So you may consider this workshop sort of as a warm-up exercise. So whenever you said left for future work, we'll be happy to hear next year how this future work did go and what is the result. So you are all invited to the actual Quarks seminar in about the same time next year. And according to plan, it's going to be held in a little town 120 kilometers north from Moscow, in a lovely environment. And we'll be happy to host you there. So thank you.